Welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Today we're going to read Brown Bear, What Do You See? And it's by Bill Martin and Eric Carle, and it's from Henry Holt and Company. Okay. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That is what we see. All right, that's a fun story. If you stop by the library to pick up an activity packet, I'd like to show you what's in it. First of all, you will find this page with all the little characters from the story and a white sheet of paper. You can cut out these characters, glue it on your paper, and make a picture to tell about the story. Okay? Then you will also find a little picture frame. It has all the characters from the story in it, and I would color the characters the right color from the story. That would make it fun. And it says, Brown Bear, what do you see? And then you cut out the middle and put your picture in there. Okay. You will also find a brown bear, dot to dot. And this little reference mat. It has all the characters from the story. It has ABCs, numbers, shapes, and fun things like that on it. Okay? And then the last thing you'll find is this, and it just tells about my story time. Okay? So I hope you enjoy all those things, and I'll see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.